Today, I will tell you step by step how to see when someone was last active on Snapchat. If you want to be informed about such great videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's get started. Although Snapchat doesn't directly show the last seen time of users, there are ways to understand where someone was last active using some tips. Let's examine them one by one now. If your friend has Snap Map turned on and location sharing is enabled, you can see when they were last active. To do this, open the Snapchat app. Pinch the screen with 2 fingers to open Snap Map. Here, you can see locations of your friends and when they were last seen. For example, if a friend's profile says seen 10 minutes ago, this means they were last active at that time. But remember, this method won't work if the person has turned off location sharing. The second method, open the chat window you have with a friend and check if you see a person's Bitmoji or blue dot just below the message sent box. If the Bitmoji is moving or blue dot appears, it means the person is currently active. If your message is marked as seen or your snap was opened, this means the person was active recently. One of the easiest ways to tell someone was last active on Snapchat is to check their stories. Check your friend's stories to see if the person has shared the story. When you tap on the story, you can see the time it was shared. If someone shared the story 5 minutes ago, they are probably still active. When you send someone a message or a snap, watch how long it takes them to respond. If your message opens immediately, it means the person is currently active. However, if they go unanswered for a long time, they are probably offline. Using all these methods together, you can tell when someone was last active on Snapchat. If the person's Snap Map is closed and they are not sharing stories, it can be difficult to get an exact time. But you can make a good guess based on chats, snaps, and stories.